Okay, so I just came across this incredible library called NeMo RL that's designed for post-training tasks. It really blew my mind.
Wait, what makes it stand out in the sea of other machine learning libraries? I've heard about many, but this one seems special.
Well, it can scale from just one GPU to thousands. Imagine running models with up to 100 billion parameters seamlessly.
Seriously, that's huge. But how does it manage all that complexity without crashing?
It uses a modular design and integrates with Hugging Face. Plus, there's high-performance support through Megatron Core.
That's quite clever. Hugging Face is already popular for a reason. What about the different training methods it supports?
Oh, it features several, like supervised fine-tuning and group relative policy optimization. There's a method for every use case.
Right, but doesn't that make it overwhelming for users? So many choices can lead to analysis paralysis.
True, but they provide detailed documentation with practical examples. It's like a roadmap for navigating all those options.
That's helpful. I guess users won't feel completely lost. But I wonder about performance metrics. How fast is it?
According to their release notes, they've optimized for fast generation with VLLM backend aimed at reducing inference time.
That's impressive. Fast inference is critical, especially for deploying models in real time.
Absolutely, but here's a thought. Does fast inference sacrifice model accuracy?
Good point. There's always that balance. We might need to look into evaluations to see how they perform under pressure.
Exactly, they provide various evaluation tools. It's interesting to think about how consistent those evaluations are.
Right, variations can often skew data. Has there been any mention of benchmarks?
They noted collaborations with benchmarks like OpenInstructMath. That gives some credibility to their claims.
Speaking of credibility, did you notice the caution about needing compatible hardware and drivers?
I did. It's an important reminder. The barrier to entry can still be significant if your hardware isn't up to par.
And let's not forget the dependency hell that often comes with these setups. It can be daunting.
True, but they seem to address that with environment isolation techniques, which could help streamline the process.
That would be a relief. But what did you think about their support for multi-turn generation? Sounds like fun.
Right, training models for tool use in games is creative, but I wonder how it really plays out in practice.
I'm curious about that too. Does it actually enhance usability or just complicate things for the end user?
Great question. It's a fascinating balance. If it works well, it could significantly boost engagement.
Definitely, but let's not forget potential drawbacks. More complexity can lead to longer debugging sessions.
Totally, that's time-consuming. Maybe practical examples could mitigate that risk by showing best practices.
Agreed, there might also be a learning curve for new users. The key is clarity and simplicity, right?
Yes, so if we had to sum it up, NeMo RL feels powerful but comes with caveats about hardware and complexity.
That sounds about right. It's like having a supercar but needing a special license to drive it.
Exactly, but if you invest that time in understanding it, the performance could be game-changing.
Which begs the question, is the investment worth it for casual users? Or is it geared more for heavy users?
I'd lean towards it being more suited for users needing to scale massively. Casual users might feel overwhelmed.
That makes sense, especially given how it scales to multi-node setups. It's a scalable solution for sure.
Yeah, and it's exciting to think about the implications for future developments in AI and machine learning.
Absolutely. Imagine the innovations. Just think of the challenges they might solve in fields like healthcare.
Right, the potential seems endless, but I can't help but wonder if we're breaking new ground or over-engineering.
A valid concern. Progress in tech should enhance usability, not create more hurdles. It's a fine line.
Totally, so where do we go from here? Dive deeper into performance metrics and user cases.
Yes, let's. We could also explore how it stacks up against its competitors. This is shaping up to be quite a journey.
For sure, and that exploration is where the real excitement lies. Can't wait to uncover more.